Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to download, install and use the Roblox account manager. It's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser, type in Roblox account manager, or head down to the link in my description to open up the GitHub file. Now from there, what we want to do, if we open up the GitHub website where the Roblox account manager is on, simply scroll down till you see the little download window. Simply press it and then the zip file will start to download. Now simply drag this on top of your desktop, create a new folder that says Roblox account manager, and as you can see here, what we want to do, we want to drag the zip folder inside and right click it, go to extract all, simply extract to the browse, and here we want to go to our desktop, find the Roblox account manager, select the folder, press extract, and it will extract the folder right here. Now simply open up the folder, and as you can see here we have the .exe file. We can open up the .exe file, and now the Roblox account manager has been downloaded. Now here we can select how our data can be secured. Simply press the default encryption, and now as you can see here we have the Roblox account manager. Now from there it's very easy. You can add an account. Now it will take you to the Roblox login, and from there you can start to use the Roblox account manager. You can use multiple reasons for it, and it's very easy. If you still get any other questions, leave them in the comments down below. I would highly appreciate it if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.